Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the async and await keywords in TypeScript. So let me create an example for you to understand more about these keywords. Alright, first we need to create a function to delete. So for this function, you just type it into your edit. Okay, this function to interrupt by delay a time. So just write it. You don't need to understand this function. Okay, the function need a parameter time and return a promise with a void. Return new promise result. Set timeout with result and the time. Okay, and now we will create a function to simulate the calling an API. Call API. Okay, so this function will have a store. We will log a store now, and then we will delay the maybe 3 seconds. Okay, 3000 milliseconds mean 3 seconds, and then we will log 3 seconds later. Okay, and now we run this to see what happened with this. Oh, sorry, I didn't call the API method. Okay, alright, you see, after 3 seconds the program stopped, but 3 seconds seem happen the same time with the store. It not delay. Why? Because when you run something like this, something like delays, it is a synchronized function. So when we run this delayed without any await keyword before, it doesn't interrupt the process. So to make this interrupt the process, we will use a await keyword like this. So this keyword will make this method, make this function interrupts the process, and then after 3 seconds this console will log the text into the console. And you see, await expressions only allow within a async function. So we need to add a async keyword before the function call API like this. And now let's run it again. Now you see the store wait a little, and then we have 3 seconds later. Alright, so that is the await and async keyword in TypeScript. We will learn more when we do more example. Okay, so I just show you some examples so you can understand a little bit how to use them. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you.